Hey there, it's Cameron at WeStock. Excited to walk you through how to set up custom links and generate QR codes for your brand. So here we're going to go to the links page. We're going to go over here to create, and you'll be able to set this to active, and then you're going to have a few different types that you can set up for links. So you can have it lead to a custom page, so that can go to your website, a rebate, a feedback form, a request form, and then remember, these are dynamic links and also dynamic QR codes. So you're not set, or it's like, hey, if I set this to go to a survey, it always has to go to a survey. You can change the destination of that link or QR code because they are dynamic. I'm going to make this go to a rebate. A great example is maybe I'm running a demo for this weekend and I want customers to scan a QR code to get $1 off or for a BOGO. So being able to have a QR code on site for customers to scan is a great way. I'll pick a test, and then I'll pick the rebate, and I'll say, let's say that this is going to be at Publix rebate $1 off. If I'm going to run ads to this page, I can add UTM parameters. If not, I can just go and generate the QR code as well. And then I can upload an image for the product, which will go in the middle here. I can change the color here on the QR code, and then I can kind of change the look of it as well. And then I'll submit that. And then what will happen here is this QR code will generate, and then you'll be able to easily download that QR code, view the metrics, and then edit however you'd like. So you can see here with this one that's been previously generated, we can see the metrics there. And then you can also see the different click types, operating systems, and browsers that those clicks are coming in from. So if you have influencers, if you have demos, if you have in-store POS, IRCs, anything you want to do where you have a consumer touch point where you want to be able to track a unique link or track a QR code, this is the way to go. Thank you so much.